this 8-foot wide surface door that goes to my workshop area. And in the summertime, like everyone else, you'd be pestered with flying insects. So I had a screen up before a couple of years ago that worked, but it kind of deteriorated after going in and out of it with lumber. And I bought this magic mesh screen. I'm going to install it. It comes in, you can buy it, and it comes 8-foot wide or 9-foot wide that you can cut down to 8 foot. And that's what I'm going to do. But instead of cutting down to 8 foot, I'm just going to fold over the ends and use it that way. I'm going to install this and let's see how it goes. The installation is basically with Velcro, hook and loops, attachments. I'm going to use some denatured alcohol to clean the surface of the perimeter of the door, just to get any oil or grease films off of it. And you'll see that where I actually wiped it off, and you can see where it's a little bit cleaner than the other surfaces are. Let's just kind of walk through this and just see what I did as far as installation of this garage magnetic bug screen and how it ended up after installation. lesson learned here is that if you put the screen too tight, the magnetic fasteners won't engage. So you got to have a little bit of sloppiness in your screen as it goes around the Velcro edges in order for them to close. If not, they stay open. So I had to go back in and adjust my Velcro so that it'll be a little bit more looser and it would then in turn fit and be able to close. The magnetic clips would be able to close. For those times when I'm not going to need the screen, I added a couple of tie backs with some bungee cords for each side to hold the curtain back when I'm not using it.